What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in this video we're going to talk about how to find your first private supplier using Aliexpress. So we'll talk about why it's important and how to set up your very own VIP link. If you guys have already noticed a change of scenery, I'm in my fiance's studio today just to change things up a little bit. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have seen this yourselves doing your own product research. So I'm just over here in the Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. And I found a VIP link right here. So you guys have probably seen this in the past. Basically what it is, when people build a relationship with these suppliers on AliExpress, they'll go ahead and create a VIP link for you. So what this allows you to do is source your product for cheaper, get faster shipping options, cheaper shipping costs, and people actually don't know what you're selling because just the VIP link will pop up in the dropshipping center, not your actual product itself. So it's a good way to limit your competition and not actually have people see what you're doing. So in the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you guys how to actually set this up and create your own VIP listings. So why is this actually so important? Well, by creating these VIP links, this allows you to improve the back-end aspects of your store as well as the customer satisfaction. What I mean by that is the back-end aspects, you're getting cheaper product costs, cheaper shipping costs, and for the customer satisfaction, you're getting faster shipping times and improved product quality. So let's go ahead and create our own VIP links right now. Okay, so one of the products that I actually saw on the AliExpress Dropshipping Center right above the actual VIP link we found was that USB fast charger that you see for your phones a lot. So we'll just type in fast charger for the purpose of this video, and we'll go ahead and source a VIP link for it. So what I like to do is go ahead and find the product on AliExpress, and I like to find 3 to 5 good suppliers just to start out with. Now once you start messaging these suppliers, it's going to be very easy right away to tell who's interested and who's not in doing business with you. Now what I mean by that is you'll write out a long paragraph to some of these suppliers, and some of them will just message you back and go, yes friend, we have stock. Well, some of the other ones actually go above and beyond, write detailed responses and actually set it up with you for a long-term partnership or cooperation. So go ahead and just scroll through AliExpress until you find 3 to 5 good listings or suppliers, and open those up in new tabs. To keep things short and simple in this video, we'll just be using this first one right here, so I'll just go ahead and open that. And right away, you'll just want to go through on this listing until you find the store information and click contact. So right away, just bringing up this product right here, they already have an automated response, but we're going to go ahead and ask them a couple of questions. You always want to start out with an intro. You want to introduce yourself, who you are, what company you're representing, and what you're looking for. You might want to talk about how many orders a day you're doing or how many orders a day you plan to do. Then you want to know about their current inventory. You want to know what kind of or how much inventory they have on hand so that you don't get screwed in the long run. Right after, the second question you want to ask them is about their processing time for orders, how long it actually takes to process and ship out. Third, you want to ask them what their fastest available shipping speed is and what the actual costs associated with that are. Once I find those 3 to 5 good suppliers I want to work with, I'll usually narrow it down to 1 based on all of this questioning. And I'll go ahead and go on a different account and actually place a test order so that I can see for myself. You don't always have to do this, but it's a good indicator on how well your supplier handles things. After establishing all of this, you'll want to message them and ask how many orders a day they require for a VIP link. Typically in most cases I've seen like 15 to 20 orders a day for the VIP links, but some suppliers will actually request more. But it really all depends on the actual product, the supplier, and everything else, and it's really up to you to negotiate. So once you have your VIP link established, you want to negotiate the actual product costs and shipping costs with them based on the current volume you're pushing with your store right now or future volume that you have in mind. Be honest, be reasonable, and they will work with you. So I just wanted to go over the main points that you want to type out in this message. I didn't want to type out an example message, but I feel like I did cover it in pretty good depth. If you guys have any questions about the actual messaging format or what you should include, or if you're stuck somewhere, I can help you guys out in any way. Just go ahead and comment below or DM me and I'll help you guys out where I can. But that's just the basics behind finding a private supplier on AliExpress. By now, you guys should have what it takes to go out and start messaging these suppliers. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.